It's a desperate feeling when you don't know where your next meal is coming from.
It affects your ability to rationalize, to think, to even have positive emotions and a future vision for your life.
There is nothing but the next day.
Yeah, in frankly, helpless situations, a lot of times all it takes is a little bit of nutrition, a little bit of food that can really kind of flip that script right there.
This is an event that brings people together and starts talking about what are the needs, but then even more than that, how can we make a difference? And how can we see that difference made?
As we are bringing these raw materials into Warsaw, we're just going to be a small group that gets to have a big impact on being able to take malnutrition out of the equation.
The MobilePack is a community event where we are striving to come together as a community and feed children who are in need around the world. And so we partner with Feed My Starving Children, where they bring ingredients, we bring funds and volunteers.
And FMSC works with missionaries who are on the ground in 100 countries around the globe in order to provide them with necessary meals that the MobilePack helps build.
In our case, we're bringing the packing to Warsaw, so we're taking over the high school, one of the gymnasiums at the high school. We're going to bring in all the materials and gather everybody in teams over the course of a week and pack 1 million meals.
When I saw on the first MobilePack I worked on how efficient and how great the program ran, and you could have all these people working in harmony to pack these meals and get them out the door, and people were so excited and so generous and so kind about helping. I'm like, okay, I'm all in on this. What do I need to do to be a part of this?
You're side by side, shoulder by shoulder with your coworkers and your teammates, and it was really cool to see a huge group of people all come together and just start loading the semi.
Every year, the MobilePack has continued to grow.
As I started to become part of the leadership team and people knew that, they were asking me all the time, like, when's our next pack? I want to make sure that I'm there. How can I help?
So the ability to bring 5,000 volunteers together and all for this purpose. It's not a sporting event. It is a volunteer for the greater good of the world, not just the small city that we're in.
Any child that's hungry should have a nutritious meal and not have the fear of where is my next meal coming from. So our symbol right now is a mountain. We want to move a mountain. We want to get 1 million meals and have the funds to do that and be able to provide hope for children and adults who are hungry.